Hello everyone, today I'm at my house today and the old guys are telling me to replace the battery, take it to the Apple store, and we are taking the Apple store in about 6 days. So yeah, this is my old iPad. Now since this is my old iPad, in 2019 it started to die too much. That's because I keep charging it while I'm playing, so that's why it's probably a battery service. I think that it might be a battery service, or probably not. So I'm gonna have to do their battery replacement. Plus, there's scratches on the bottom of the charger right there, and a bump right there. And I think that's probably a sticker or something, whatever that is. And I don't want to update this iPad because I want to stay the same thing. I want to stay in an iPad 12. Numbers. Yeah. This is all of my stuff right here. My games, etc. And yeah, this is my Minion Rush. I played a lot instead of Roblox. But Roblox has a little bad graphics right there. Yeah. This iPad has a little bad graphics. And yeah, this is my new iPad. Yeah, this is my new iPad I mostly use. No, but this is I'm mostly use like this since I use this for 10 years. But I skip over 2021 and 2022. It's because it's old. I couldn't find it. But now I found it. Oh, I'm just going on games. Want to see me proof about this bad graphics this is? Let me show you. Oh yeah, I forgot to change my avatar because I think everybody voted for Fox Girl's character. Yeah. It's a little bit slow. As you can see, there's really a bad graphics. Just hold on a minute. Every time I play this game, whoa. Every time I play Roblox, my battery keeps dying. Yeah. What? Okay, I'm just setting it to a low graphics. I'm just lowering this graphics. And let's just play this game and just go. Yeah, it's getting definitely worse. I'll just leave this like that because, see, it has a little bad graphics. But anyways, yeah. Oh dear, not this thing again. Somebody's coming. But luckily, I just finished the level. Everything's going crazy right now. No! Just kidding, I didn't actually break it. It's just going a little bit bad. Or it's probably because the battery's about to die. Yeah. And I'll see you on next Sunday. As you can see, I'm ready to be paired for my old iPad. Don't mind my music. Yeah. And I also had to, and yeah, I also shut down this iPad so it doesn't die. I'm just gonna keep it off until we get there. Yeah. And yeah, this is my new paint scheme. Bald head. And yeah, I'll see you in the App Store. Bye. Okay guys, I'm in the car right now and we're ready to go. It's still off because I need to save the battery life. Yeah. Hopefully it's fixable, but mostly it's not fixable. We'll just find out. We are just in, guys. We are in a Grand Americana brand. So we're just gonna insert the ticket. We're gonna get some tickets. Guys, we are in the parking lot. I'm just gonna remove the case. So if you can see it. Let's look. Out of the case. And we're heading to the Apple Store. Okay, we're in the elevator right now. It's just right there. In we go.
Ground floor. Going up.
Now here we are at the Grand Americana Band. And here's our Apple Store. Here we go. So we're here in the Apple Store everywhere. Almost a similar. You can be like, hey, what's this? So of course it wasn't repairable. Of course it wasn't repairable because it has no longer supported. But I only know the other store is also repairable. The money talks more, so I'm gonna have to. So as you know, guys, of course they couldn't repair it because it has no longer service. And yeah, I had to shut this down. So I guess we have to repair it ourselves soon. Yeah. Well guys, thank you for watching today. Please hit the like, sub, and subscribe button. Bye now.